I'm Claire and welcome to Wise Wonders. Today we're going to be cleaning up oil spills, but first I want to give a special shout out to my niece Charlotte. Happy birthday, Charlotte. I hope you have an awesome day and I miss you very much. Have you ever wondered what powers things like cars, planes, and trains? Well, it's something called oil. Oil is a special resource that we extract from the ground, but we only have a very limited amount of it. We can even get oil out of the ocean floor, but it can be really dangerous. When accidents happen and oil spills into the water, it can be really dangerous for marine life and for the water. Luckily, we have people called environmental engineers that help us clean up the water when accidents like this happen. Today, we're going to be environmental engineers together and clean up an oil spill. The materials that you'll use today are a tin pan or casserole dish or other bowl, vegetable oil or canola oil, Dawn dish soap, some water, a couple paper towels, cotton balls, and a spoon. First, pour water into your pan or dish. So in order for us to have something to clean up, we need an oil spill in the first place, right? So go ahead and take your oil and pour some in your water, enough so that you can see some big droplets of oil. Oh no, our fish looks so sad in all this oil. It's time to use our engineering skills to decide what tools to use. What tools do you have in front of you that you could use to clean up the oil spill? I think I'll start with my cotton balls. So I'm gonna take a couple and try and dip them in the water to get the oil out. That worked pretty well, but I still see some oil left in my water. What else could we try? I think next I'll try my paper towels. So I'm gonna take my paper towel, fold it up a little bit, and try dipping it in the water too. That didn't work very well either. I wonder what else I could try. Now we can go ahead and try our dish soap. So you can open up your dish soap, pour some in your water, and use your spoon to mix it up a little bit. See how those big bubbles of oil are starting to be gone? It looks like some of the smaller bubbles of oil came up to the top, so I'm gonna try scooping those out with my spoon, putting them in my bowl. Wow, do you know how our dish soap caused our oil to behave that way? Well, soap is made up of something called polar molecules, and that means one end of the molecule really loves the water and the other end of the molecule really doesn't like the water. And so when those polar molecules interact with the oil in the water, it causes the oil to break up into smaller and smaller pieces and disperse throughout the water. Environmental engineers sometimes use dispersants like soap to help break up the oil when there's an oil spill. They think that once the oil gets in really small pieces, bacteria in the sea can decompose it. But we need future environmental engineers like you to come up with even better solutions for the future. I think that our water looks a lot better now, but it will never look the same as it did to begin with. Environmental engineers are so important for helping us clean up our oceans, but it's more important that we make sure oil spills don't happen in the first place. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys loved cleaning up an oil spill with me today, and we'll see you at Wise Wonders soon.